Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is Lipu from Dream of Zayan. You know that the importance of thumbnail is very high. It really makes your video content or your content very adorable to the viewers. So the viewers generally attracted to your thumbnail and watch the video, watch the content. So today I will show you how you can make or create the thumbnail for your video content. Many of us may not have a laptop, so we generally feel upset or become frustrated that we don't have any laptop, so it's really tough for us to make any thumbnail. But it is really very easy for us to make thumbnail or to create thumbnail for our video content by mobile. Okay, today I'll show you. Okay, let's start. Thank you. Okay, now I am showing you how you can make or create the thumbnail for your YouTube content or video content by using the mobile phone. Okay, to create or to make the thumbnail, you need one app from Google Play Store, which is Polish, Polish. Okay, Polish, as it is already installed in my mobile phone, so I don't need to install it again. I just click on open button. Okay, yes, I'm clicking on open. Okay, there is three options. One is photo, another one is collage, and another one is camera. Okay, now we have to click on photo. You know that you please note that for making the thumbnail, first of all you have a what I'm doing. So actually in today's video I will show you what I'm doing, so how I can make the thumbnail by using my mobile phone. Okay, first of all I have to use the white background, one image which is white background. Okay, which is already in my gallery. Okay, I am selecting that one. Now I will work on that. Okay, first of all what I'm doing, I am adding my picture. Okay, I am adding my picture. You can see that first one is crop, filter, adjust, etc, etc, and after sliding you will find it add. Okay, add 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 one is the left side of draw button is add. Okay, I have to click on add. Okay, I'm clicking on add. Okay, now I will take a picture of mine which I will add on the thumbnail. Okay, I am selecting that one. Okay, now I am in Cox's Bazar, the largest CBC in the world, and the picture was taken today at the beach. Okay, I'm using this photo here. Okay, now it's okay, it's done for to adding my picture here. Now I have to click on OK button, the tick sign. Okay, which is at the top right corner. Okay, I am clicking on that. Yes. Okay, now what you can do, what I will do, I will type here. Yes, my today's subject is how to make okay make if you can make it smaller or bigger also. I will make it bigger. Okay, yes, you have to press on the two opposite corner. Okay, then you can, if you pull it, then it will be bigger. Okay, I am doing now. Yes, you can see that now it is bigger. How to make? Yes, now I will make it color. I will use the color, the font color. Yes, font color is, I will use the red for this. Okay, how to make? Now again I have to click on tick sign. Okay, tick sign. Okay, tick sign. How to make thumbnail? THUM, thumbnail. Okay, thumbnail. Yes, thumbnail. Now I will use a different color. Previously I used the red color for that. Now I can use it for maroon color to make it more colorful, more highlighted. Okay. Okay, done. How to make thumbnail? So by using mobile phone, mobile. Okay. Question mark. Question mark. Sorry for interruption. There's a call from one of my friends. And sorry for that. Okay, now I will make it color again. I can use this color. Okay, done. Now I will take it save. Okay, that is all what I want to show you. Now I will show you. Now I will show you the thumbnail here. Okay. In fact, I have tried my best to discuss in details about the issue and to make everything clear to you. And my belief is that I was able in doing so, okay? But if everything is unclear to you, or I was not, if you think that I was not able to make it clear to you, please let me know by commenting and I will reply you as soon as possible, okay? And please subscribe my channel if you are new here and like our comments, because every like, comments and every subscription is very lovable to me and to my channel Dream of Zayan. And it's really the sign of love, sign of inspiration for me. And you know that my channel is very intense, so to make it grow, I need your inspiration. That means your like, comments and subscription. Okay, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.